Hey guys, Tina with Rogan Shoes back with another quick tip. If you suffer from stinky shoes, don't go anywhere because this video is for you. Here are some ways to remove the stink from your shoes. For this method, pour baking soda into a sock and place into your shoes. We recommend leaving them in overnight. For an added scent boost, add a few drops of your favorite essential oil. If your baking soda is already hard at work on your fridge odors, try vinegar. Mix equal parts of vinegar and water into a spray bottle and spray this solution inside your shoes. Allow them to fully dry before re-wearing. We recommend using white vinegar as other vinegars contain sugars or dyes that could stain your shoes. Use 2 to 3 unused tea bags per shoe and leave them in overnight. When all else fails, try swapping out your insoles. If you're short on time, you can always opt for a store-bought shoe freshener. If none of these methods help, it may be time to come see us for some fresh new kicks. Hope this helps, and we'll see you next time.